Hello guys! Today I have two tickets, 10 euro session, one of Super Compensa and one of Super Pedimea. Okay? Hola a todos! Boa tarde! Eu tenho uma Super Compensa e uma Super Pedimea. Vamos jogar e ganhar! Mais dia de luta! Okay? I'm using Eternity Lag Scratcher. How to win in this game? Outside Portugal, we're looking for stack of cash or notas to win a prize shown, a watch to win 50, Spora to win 100, and Roda to win 150. Very simple. How to win? Why I don't win? It's difficult to understand, but it's easy to understand how to win. Come ticket. We're looking for. Hi! I found a win, guys. Nice. I found a win. Nice. Very nice. At least I get €5. The worst. Yeah, if you give me more symbols is not a jackpot, but more money. Okay, one symbol. Come on, Portugal lottery, be big. Be. Okay, guys, I was scratching and then suddenly my phone was dead. I need to recharge. So while I was scratching the price, my phone stopped completely dead. Okay, so I only found €5 win, money back in this ticket. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, how to win in this game outside Portugal. We're looking for matching symbols or 3 like prices of money bag. We win 3 money bags 750, 3 years, 3 money bags 15, 6 years, 3 money bags of 2000, 12 years every month. Okay, it's good. 2000 a month is good, guys. Okay, so we're looking for these 3 symbols: carretera, uso, or excuse me, guys, treasure chest, wallet, bone, and treasure chest, tesoro in Portuguese. Gold bar, money bag of 2000, must be 3, guys. 15, diamond, diamante, ferradura or horseshoe, moeda de sorte, moedas, just matching symbols, in short. No, and no. How about multiplier? Tribo or clover? No. 5x, rainbow? No. 10x? No. So there's no win in this ticket. Sometimes I miss matches, but today no. Okay, so I spent 10. I got back 5. Not bad. Better than nothing. Spent 10, got back 5, plus a chance to win the jackpot is good. Okay, we have to try until we die to get the jackpot, guys. Okay, not bad result, guys. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching.